Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. The Holy Quran invokes the importance of Friday as a sacred day of worship in the chapter Al-Jumu'ah, that means the day of congregation. Our beloved Prophet MuhammadSAWW has told the importance of the Friday in these words. Among the most excellent of your days is Friday. On it, Adam a.s. was created. On it, he died. On it, the last trumpet will be blown, and on it, the shout will be made. So, invoke more blessings upon me on it, for your blessings will be presented to me. Allah the Almighty says in the Holy Quran, O you who have believed, when the azan is called for the prayer on the day of Jumu'ah, then proceed to the remembrance of Allah and leave trade. That is better for you, if you only knew. Hazrat Abu Hurairah narrated that Allah's Messenger ﷺ talked about Friday and said, there is an hour on Friday, and if a Muslim gets it while praying and asks something from Allah, then Allah will definitely meet his demand. And he ﷺ pointed out the shortness of that time with his hands. Sahih al-Bukhari's Hadith. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad, kama sallaita ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad, kama barakta ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka Hamidum Majid.